Hi guys, hope all of you are doing well. Assalamu alaikum to all. My name is YOUSUF Ahmed. Welcome to the third episode of One Step Forward. In this video, the topic discussed is as follows: books that use Islamic history as a reference to understanding the same. First book is The Companions Around the Prophet, written by Abdul Malik Mujahid. Discussing the same topic, there is another book written by Dr. Abdulrahman Pasha. The third book is The Beginnings and the Endings, written by Ibn Kasir. In this book, the following topics have been discussed: the stories of the creation from Prophet Adam to Prophet Muhammad. It discusses events from the start to the life of the author, such as painting a rough image to what will happen during Resurrection Day according to the Quran and ahadith. Fourth and last important book in this video is The Story of Islam, written by Akbar Shah, Najibabadi. In this book, the author has narrated the events from the Prophet Muhammad and all the empires that existed in between, the condition of Islam in these various periods, and how it thrived, in very easy and comprehensible words.